So yun guys, no, malapit na po mag-perform ang BINI sa Coachella po guys, no. So sa April 10 siya, no. Pero guys, sa in Philippine time guys, no. Ano siya? Sa April 11 po guys, sa Saturday po siya, no. So 7:15 AM. So umaga sa atin guys, umaga po siya sa atin, no. So gising na ba kayo niyan? I'm pretty sure gising na kayo diyan syempre para sa BINI, no. So tingin tayo ng mga updates sa kanila guys, no. So tara, tingnan natin yung mga makikita nating updates regarding sa BINI, no. Okay. Tara. So ito, ABS-CBN to guys. So I'm very sure guys, lalagyan ko siya ng copyright tuloy ng watermark guys, no. Kasi pag property na ABS-CBN guys, matik yan. Maka-copyright po tayo. Okay, let's go. Or mabablock pa tayo. Yun ba?
Okay, it's day 3 ng rehearsals ng BINI. Nandito pa rin tayo sa Burbank, California. We just finished one successful dry run again. Same running time, it's about 42 minutes. So medyo consistent na yung girls dun sa flow and rhythm nila. Right after the run, nagkaroon ng emotional moment. Like, special na bisita ngayong hapon, ang isang Filipino-American executive, dating Vice President ng Island Def Jam. And napanood niya and she was moved by what she saw, yung talent na ipinakita ng BINI.
Direk Lauren, let's go.
Binabahagi ni Marisa na isa sa mga ibinili ng kanyang ama ay magpakilala ng isang Filipino talent sa global stage. Tulungan yung mga magagaling at mahuhusay natin mga Filipino acts. And she's so proud at ito yung moment na nakausap ni Marisa ang B.
It took my whole life to be able to see this, okay? I worked my whole life to see this. So thank you.
You were emotional? You were teary-eyed?
The whole time.
Why?
To be able to see Filipino excellence on this stage, I'm so proud of what they've accomplished. It's an honor to watch. I'm so proud of you. I worked my whole life to be able to see Filipino talent on the global stage.
And mga iyakin na si Joe at saka si Maloy guys.
Able to see this today. I don't know if you guys understand how meaningful this is, especially to people like us, Filipino Americans who've been doing this our whole lives. To be able to watch you guys, it's just, I'm so proud.
Pero guys, kahit sino naman guys, pag nandiyan kayo sa moment na yun, tapos may naka-appreciate ng talent nyo, may naka-appreciate sa inyo, no, talagang kahit kayo magiging emotional din kayo at the same time, no. Kasi syempre, mahirap makarating sa ganyang stage, ganyan mag-perform sa ganyang klaseng entablado po talaga, lalo na guys, inaabangan po talaga yan all over the world, no. Yan. So kaya for me, no, hindi ko rin masisi kung ba't bigla naging emotional din sila Maloy, yan, sila Joanna sa speech po niya, no. So kaya ayun, yun lang. So marami tayong naabangan pa rito, no. Tingin pa tayo ng mga update guys.
It's day 2 and BINI is all pumped up for rehearsals.
Morning!
Stylist Aika Villanueva arrived with a full wardrobe for today's critical technical dress run. Coach Mickey Purse says the goal is precision, integrating costumes, dancers, lights, and audio while adjusting for the specific blocking and camera shots of the California stage.
Tama, no. Kailangan kasi mag-adjust kayo guys. Hindi pwedeng kung ano yung alam nyo, yun lang, no. So tandaan nyo guys, iba-iba po ang mga, hindi ko alam kung anong tamang term, no, pero parang yung mga bagay like yung sa stage, isa na yan, yung stage guys, no. Iba-iba yung ano yan, yung shape, iba-iba yung texture ng lapag, iba-iba rin po yung kunyari, baka minsan merong butas dito sa part na to, meron palang pa triangle shape dito, no. So kailangan mag stage block kayo. At the same time, yung weather po guys, no, open na open siya, no. So baka tirik na tirik yung araw, pero umaga siya guys, no. So hindi naman ganun katirik, pero at the same time mainit pa rin po yun guys, no. Pagharap talaga sa inyo yung araw po talaga, no. And then yung ano pa, yung audio, yung marami mga pwede kayong i-consider, no. Kaya kailangan talaga ahead of time mag-prepare talaga kayo, no.
We're putting in the dancers and work with this space. So yun yung ano, kasi yung space natin ngayon dito, hindi pa siya yung actual space kasi mas maliit siya ng konti. Lalaki pa siya at it's deeper. But because of the space limitations, we'll work with that.
But after the final bow, the girls received some congratulations, standing ovation, and applause for the girls. Video recordings weren't allowed during the tech run, but the atmosphere was electric. After the final bow, the girls received a standing ovation from the small production crew on hand.
Siguro ang maninibago na lang kami sa weather, sa stage mismo, and sa crowd. Okay na, solid na.
Yan, di ba? Lahat na sinabi ko guys na so yung weather, no, sinabi ko sa inyo, pang-una, pangalawa yung stage, and then yung pangatlo, no, na hindi ko nabanggit, which is nabanggit ko naman before, no, sa iba kong videos, no, yung crowd talaga, no. Syempre maninibago yan kasi bago sa kanila may makikita silang Pinoy group, no, na magpe-perform sa Coachella, no. And then kasi pagkakatanda ko, hindi ko, correct me if I'm wrong na lang, sila pa lang yata yung pop group na magpe-perform dyan or meron na, no. Pero syempre, ang sigurado tayo guys, no, is sila yung unang-unang Pinoy group or Pinoy act, no, or pop group na magpe-perform sa Coachella po guys, no. Kaya maninibago yung mga tao, no, kung paano yung tunog, no, di ba? So I'm pretty sure guys yung mga doubters dyan, pero I'm pretty sure din guys, no, pag napanood nila yung Beanie, pag syempre alam niyo na, no, pag alam bawang napakita nila yung talento nila, no, baka they will follow na rin yung Beanie, no, soon.
Their wardrobe remains a closely guarded secret, but the group promises a visual spectacle that honors their roots.
Meron kaming talagang inihanda for you all na hindi pa namin pwedeng sabihin, pero we needed so much time to perfect it kasi medyo tricky siya eh. And gusto namin talaga makapag-deliver ng smooth, seamless na transition.
Even star Magic Head Laurenti Jogi was blown away, declaring the 8 girls are 100% Coachella ready.
So excited. Parang, and ano pa to, hindi pa sila naka-makeup, but the energy was there. We're a little more cramped here. But I think we have a great show. We'll have, the girls really pay off na lahat ng trabaho at yung ano nila. The new arreglo is great. The sequencing of the songs, the costumes, wonderful.
So sequencing tsaka yung arreglo, no. So sinabi ni Direk Lore, no. So bukod sa costume guys, meron silang different na arreglo na gagawin sa mga kanta nila, no. Pero pretty sure guys, hindi nila pwedeng hindi kantahin ang mga nag-hit sa kanila, no, which is I'm pretty sure guys, Pantropiko, kakantahin nila yan. At the same time, yung Salamin po guys, no. Pero hindi ko lang alam guys, ha. I think sa dalawang, it's either sa dalawa or baka dalawang yung nakantahin nila, no. And then isa rin, I think guys, kakanta rin sila ng ng English song din po, no.
Full choreography. This is really
So, pati choreography, meron silang adjustment na ginawa, no. So meron din silang mga changes na ginawa, no? Pero I'm pretty sure guys, hindi nila babaguhin all throughout yung choreography guys, no? Hindi nila babaguhin yun, no? I think baka meron lang silang baguhin na mag-add ng flavor sa choreography nila, gagawin nila, no? Or sa performance na gagawin nila.
one for the books.
Stacy also shared her excitement after finally seeing their assigned stage on the festival map.
Actually, matagal na namin siyang inaantay kung saang stage kami. Anong lumabas na siya sa Instagram kagabi, sinend ko agad sa GC namin. And natuwa ako kasi of course, for a new artist like us na magpe-perform for Coachella, it's a big deal na dun yung debut stage namin. And we're just very grateful and honored and humbled.
But it's not all work. The girls plan to be fans themselves and catch other global acts.
Of course, maglilipat kami ng mga stage. Mag-iikot po kami.
Well, a lot, pero I'll say na lang Sabrina Carpenter, Justin Bieber, and Karol G, of course.
Justin Bieber, Sabrina Carpenter, Cat's Eye, rumored si Lisa, so sana makanood kami if ever mention that.
Adding to their momentum, Beanie officially landed the cover of Spotify's Equal Global and Equal Philippines today. From Burbank, California, MJ Felipe, ABS-CBN News.
Diba? Solid lang guys, no? Kasi syempre, no, meron tayong isang Pinay, no, na member ng Cat's Eye, and sinabi nila fan sila ng Cat's Eye. No? Solid lang, di ba? Coming from Beanie, no, di ba? Ibang level na rin yun guys, di ba? And yung humbleness nila guys, no? So yun lang guys, no, for me guys, Coachella, ready na rin po ang Beanie dyan, no? Kasi may kita nyo sa interview nila, talagang talagang confident na sila sumagot sa mga interviews, ngumingiti, nakikipagbiruan pa nga sila, no? So I think ready na sila sa Coachella, no? So mas okay na yun guys na prepared sila, no? Kaysa naman sa parang masyado silang seryoso, no? Kasi mahirap yun, guys. Ibig sabihin pag seryoso sila, ibig sabihin lang, guys, na hindi pa sila prepared na. Pero pag nakita mo silang confident enough na silang ngumiti, makipagbiruan, nakikita nyo, nagbibiruan pa sila na gusto nilang manood, lilipat-lipat sila ng stage para makita yung mga idol nila, guys, eh, no? So, dun pa lang, guys, makikita mo, ready na po talaga sila, no? Ayun guys, no, tingin-tingin pa tayo ng updates very soon sa Bini, no, abangan natin yung performance nila, no. So yun lang, maraming salamat. So this is Point of View signing out. Peace. Let's see.